Kani kadai kadu Russian Meghalaya bagi pedang subhai pi baro syakatup kubo mentega janmiat syuban paish kubo kububnya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Tanpa Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kisama bersoka kadang klipnya lo kejeng ketrika Meghalaya Water Supply Scheme Kemai. Dangwat kejelai kelat kidenti benweng ni kejeng lo bersurok Mouthwood Happy Valley. Bersoka ke Shimkia lo kejengja kena badang Inggris menata. Batung kejela live sawut kinong ai jengmut na kebentar menyerap igi samla kebedon kam yakilat jengerau. Kikubor kibubnya. Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Sangma ulaong ba menta ke sorka jela kadang kemi benya ban penyak syakmat ya ke Shillong Water Supply Scheme ke betemai ke balamang nyaus pak kelur tingka. Ulaong ru ba kejela kala penterikam ya ke projek balayok jengerap nabar na kebentar ban penyak ya ke telong kajing penik hagapo perem bat banyada ya ki jaka pelang abakran sha pang ki jing e ke be kendo usangma ulaong ba kejela kala sakhi ya ki jing duna slap ke basan po na shispa mantau snem bat kesokar kadang pelet jingmut ya ki projek bantau ya ki lat kilenti ki ban penik ya ke nakapor syakapor.
The new Shillong Water Supply Scheme, as you know, is also in the pipeline. Already about 700 crores has been sanctioned for that project, and that also will impact overall water supply in Shillong area and the surrounding zones. So therefore that is one of the major projects. A large part of our externally aided projects are actually for natural resource management, for the conservation of the springs or rejuvenation of springs, for the conservation of the catchment areas, and these projects are going on right now, sir, as we speak. So therefore, as rightly mentioned, we are aware of these challenges, sir. In fact, this year has been a very, very difficult year for the farmers, very difficult year for people also, and we have seen almost close to 50% deficiency in rain. So these challenges, as mentioned, we expect that will grow. So hence we anticipate this, and hence the programs to put up different kinds of projects.
Sembut Menteri Rangba kejelau ba Preston Tingsong ulaong ba kesoka jela kadang wat igilat kilenti ben wengye kijing akabe dei ba kesurok ka ba ndrus pa mitar ka ba ladon pedeng kijing kaja na Mouthwood Happy Valley. Aba juba melo kijing kili hapo kayeng dorbar tauan uba Tingsong ulaong ba yakene kesurok la maramot daki bor jong katanat sipai ba kesoka jela kadang persang ban wat ikiwei pat kilenti. Kawai pat kelenti ke ba penyeso ia ka Mouthwood Maulenrei ladep ban itu.
Recently, even the village authority, jointly with our officers from the department, we already identified the stretch of alternative route, which links to Maulenrei, from Mouthwood to Maulenrei, which is more or less their length is within 4 kilometers. The entire stretch of that length minus 300 meters again, which touches the defense land. Right now, so we are taking up this with the defense authority. I am sure we will be able to come out to a permanent solution on this particular issue.
Sembut Menteri Rangba kejelau ba Preston Tingsong ne kesengi ulaong ba kesoka jela kala syimkhia baha halo kejingja kawai ke kena badang ndrus nem kerta na North Garo Hills. Uba Tingsong ula pentip hapo kayeng dorbar tauan bagi buah pulit kila ai jingtip Meghalaya bad Assam balakem ru yo wei brio. Kani ke kena kedai na Opa Raja Simla ha North Garo Hills District bad kelajak rengai ke Kap Praterik Unaitong. Syuk-syuk utai usembut Menteri Rangba ula pentikna bagi pulit kejela kim shim na shong klikti na kebentar banwat ya ketai ke kena ke belja.
First and foremost, I want to assure this esteemed House and the public that the government is treating this case with the utmost seriousness. From the moment the missing person report was filed, police along with multi other agencies and the community have been working tirelessly to find the child and uncover the circumstances of her disappearance. Sir, as part of the investigation, several leads have been pursued, including the possibility of outside involvement. The police have also coordinated with Assam Police to verify related inputs, including inquiries with scrap dealers and other potential suspects. One individual has been arrested in connection with this case, while some individuals were examined. No conclusive evidence has yet emerged.
Menteri Ketenat Lekai ubah Syakliar Wajri ni kesengi ula pentip harga yang dorbar tauan bagi soka jela kelatung ya ki live sangut ki career advisor ban ai ya kajing Syakri harga ban selok na kebenta ki samla. Menteri ula ong bagi career counselling program ka ai ya kajing Syakri bekerpang bak kajing kershan ya ki nong sengkam sengjam. Henry ubah Wajri ula kedau bakatukan ningut ki samla ki bawat jengyarap naki live sauteli ki jaka ai jeng hikai kim jubut dien bat ketenat ka download ya ki jeng tip hakabedai bat kene ke benta.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 2. A, sir, there are 34 career advisors in 34 training centers. B, sir, the career counseling being provided through career advisors is structured, personalized and ongoing service that equips youth with career guidance, job readiness training, mentorship and entrepreneurship support to make informed career choices. Sir, like I said, some of these youths, we do actually have the numbers with us in these training centers, but not all of them. So, like I said, some of them we do have the record, but some of them they don't come back to the training centers. So for that reason, sir, we don't have the entire number.
Kaptu kan Italy ki restoran bat ki jaka dia jengbam halaj khra kim don ye ki kom bret jabo ke bubiang. Ya kini lalap ha ka jinglet jurep le lam da ka dorbash nong laj khra ringkat ka jinglet trailang bat ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Ka kenhun jurep ka lalap ru ba ki don ki restoran ki bom don ya ki effluent treatment plan. Kaptu kat ni ki jaka bam ru ki trekam klem da yo e ka sernot na ka Pollution Control Board. Kane ka jing jurep ka kentup iki benta ka bah pedeng ka yo shlong bat ka surok ba laj khra. Senior Environmental Engineer ketika tenat uba Wan Shanbor karang ula betha ikinong elam shnong jang ki weipat ki shnong bakin pelong yakum kini ki jingjurep.
Ha ka bi dei ka khoi ka suba nukong ya ka kabam ora ka dur ke ru ya ki rokom pen tu ki jakria le ni rokom te permani ka jakria ki bami ni ki jakaba wan ki bi ban ma me awai kalong ba khoi ji suba jong ka shnong ka thau ora ka ju ka poru kalong de ka jing singan namta ki pajba ki bon ban ba ki jakak jing banyak di dukan menuba dei banyak di dukan menurut kontak number dia kan sedon mereka jing isu mereka notis segi nama hab alat ki bakin apply di bala ban penbiang mereka ki kendon mereka kum ka jing syak mereka juga an mereka tetap min hab ai jing pe ki tambah shopping ai jing pe ka an hi ka ladon hi ka baka pasi ka menurut Meghalaya ba insyaallah kuna
Ka jing yakhi jong ki nong trei jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council keladap ar banai arsngi negsngi Kene ka jing yakhi kala sedang duduk ke Nyotrik Unaitung hakaba ki nong trei ka GHADC kila dawa ban siupura ya ketulop ka badang sateng kila kentat ya ke hukum ka bakham menshua ban penkhut ya ketulop ka basan banai nakaliang ka non-gasted employees association ka badang yai beteng ban dawa na ka benta ban shimkhia mardor na ki bo badai khmi ban pelait no ya ketulop jong ki badang sateng Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress ne kesngi kala pelong ya ka tamasa ban penmi pisah Street Central Library ban kershan hlo ke jinghi persha ya udrok ha kane kenong ba kane ke jingela pajba akan kentup ya shispa teli ki jaka ha keleng kari Khasi ba jantia u president ke State Congress uba Vincent Pala ula ong ba kane ka jingelap kan pensapriang ya ka jingtip hlo ka jingsniu jong udrok khamtam e hapdeng ki samla Kumshi benta jong kene ke jingtmu on penyaso ya ki kena skol lingba ke jingile kai skit bat ki wei ki program pen sngutu patba ka Congress ka temu ban pen sapriang shadu Garo Hills hakini ki benai banwan
yang aliang jawan Congress ni la rai ba minle ka campaign na mata ka drugs in ai ke jing hikai kibrio hagadu ko poro ni ko amande ka kenda awareness ya kadrots ila plan ngin le ki cispa tli ki jaka tegane ke jing tu jong ki mahila ban le gane ke dei ban respond na ka banta bangin yo le kini ki program ngin le keleng kata ka jing jong ki namar ni ko ban respond ban ba food fest jong ki bat pan donation keleng awareness program hadim pat dengan lalik keleng ngin ya tie up ki don hangne ka don ka foundation baki ni kala ya tie up lupa ban yarap sibon nimla re mo ni tie up sabat ke ka foundation tegene ka jing sedang ku ong rada ka biang te ka nyarap ki ga namar ba ka jing menta ke ba kerni ke prox ki labon ka rehab center ka duna
Chief Secretary Kajala Oba DP Walang ula pelat patba ika kot balato do pastor WC Kongwer ha multipurpose complex jong kabalang Presbyterian Jayau Negasngi. Kenega kot kabala ai kerteng family and the church in modern changing society kabadang kedau shapang ki jing peman la kasngi jong ka jing bat ka ai ya ki jing shampang bat jing elam ki ba pensyong nong rem ha ka jing Nakaliang Chief Secretary uloong ba kaniga kot kan ai mensiam mikinong pulie bat kan ai bor hakipor basyam jing Ka Abhilash inspiring young minds through design thinking. Kalas dang hatura henen kesngi. Yakane ke jengelang ka ba arsngi la pelong da ka Indian Institute of Technology IIT Guwahati haringkat ko Office Deputy Commissioner ke West Garo Hills. Kane ke jengelang ka long ban kentiu ya ka jingpen sngotu apengi kena skul ki ba hapedeng ke kelas kendai bat khatar. Kumba sanspa san pongut ki kena skul kilawan ban yishim benta ha kesngi ke beningkong. U Professor Pratul Chandra Kalita jong ka IIT Guwahati uloong ba ki jingelang ki bakum kini ki pen sngotu iki pat ba shapang ka jing hikai shnadur lane ta ka design education ha ka ne ka than shatai lami ngi Katnat West Khasi District Legal Services Authority lane ka DLSA kala pelong ya ka program ai jing tip kum shibenta ban rakhi ya ka World Literacy Day la pelong ya ka ne ka program ha Umtlong Government Higher Secondary School East and West Khasi Hills ka betmu ban ai jeng hikai ya ki kena school bat ki nong hikai halor ka hok bat ki ain beper kat ba ka RC Eve Secondary School West Janty Hills ka la pelong ya ka ne ka program hinin ka sngi ringkat ka jeng pen sngotu shapang ka jing nang jing tip bat ka jing nang jing start Ka Ribhoi District Tuberculosis Officer mentag sngi kala rakhi ya ka lingku dap laisnem jong ka Pradhan Mantri TB Muk Bharat Abhiyan daga basam ki song jingbam shi khat laingut ki nongpang ka officer jong ka District Tuberculosis ka Dr. E Kalwing kala pentip ba ka Ribhoi Dangshan ka don palat ya lais pa ngut ki nongpang TB kat ba ars pa kha nyungut pat kila yo ya ka jingirap na ka ne scheme
Krishna Pradhan menilai matang ho ne sampli ki country boleh sebut jadi one duty dengan ai mesin mungkin lah kita sebut
Adorbash nong umsau nong karai kala kenia de ka jingirap jongka bat kala kitbok ket riang ru ya arngut ki nong yakun ki bana kani kasnong ki ban mi khmat ya ke India ha ka IFMA Youth World Muay Thai Championship ka badang sngotengen nongrum bat ka Island Greece karbangar kin le ishim benta ha ka ne ka jingekop ka ban long ha ka Abu Dhabi nadu ka Spotrik hadu ka Apotrik mentau benai kini ki nong yakun ki la pen pau ka jing sngo ngu ya ka sorkar jala na benta ka scholarship ka balai rap shibun yaki bantiet yaki tiar yele kai ka Limpung second knockout futsal tournament bala penyat da ka Lionel Futsal Arena kala sedang mentagasngi hanong ston u komandan jong ka 4th MLP battalion uba VDS Rembai ula play perdaya kini ke Limpung ki don baro laipo arteli ki kenhun ye lekai na keleng ka nong ston ki balawan bani shimbenta aga sngi ke beningkong ka kenhun mystery C kala peliem no ya ke karkhana nong dem dasan laar gol mentang nye pet ya ke jinglong jingman ka sumineng hatura Kajing kreat kalong apsan degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong laipuai degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau hau kalong nyopulain shispa bat kajing half slap kalong iway point iway millimeters. Aba pai pat shenong ba shalong kajing kreat kalong kat pra degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 8.2 degree Celsius bat kajing sengam kau hau kalong prapu ar nak shispa. Kajing half slap kalong 0.r millimeters. Kat bahar jawai pat kajing kreat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong apusan degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau hau kalong prapulai nak shispa bat kajing half slap kalong 1.2 millimeters. Kelak bandon kajing half slap bat kajing tiat upertat haki babon ki jaka hatura shalong bat jawai. Syaban poi syaka bekut jong ketuk kubor ni pek biang sa asin ni kini kimat berkongsan. Penpau Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma bagi soka kadang kami punya ahlo kajing penteri kam ya ke Shalong Water Supply Scheme ke Bertamai. Dang wak kejelai kelak kilenti ban weng ya kajing ahlo ke Surok mau sebut Happy Valley. Kesoka kalau Shimkia ahlo ke jingja ke kena badang Inggeris dan berta. Batung kejela live samut kinong ai jengmut nak kebenta menyerap igisam lagi bedon kam yakila jengerap. Terparlok kat tungila poi sebekut jeng ketuk kubor jengi menta kejan miet ngin se syamek plasai kesengi haga juk kepo kubdesibun yapi baro.
Nepal Prime Minister